Yeah, Nirvana is a really great group. It's a great set of people. The understanding that it brings, the value it brings that I've seen is just knowing the use cases that are out there, being able to talk to the different people, the different organizations, the in the background that everybody provides, right? So everybody brings something to the table and they have different perspectives, and that's what's really drives the value. So inside about Nirvana, talking to the different individuals that are there, a lot of the perspectives that they're seeing in the communities and seeing in the overall space of automation, intelligent automation, AI, and all the above, really, all those conversations drive a lot of value in seeing and providing back really just different perspective, because not only are you understanding from your own perspective, you get to engage in conversations that you get to see how they see it from their viewpoint, and knowing that helps to have better conversations inside of businesses, inside of your own companies and organizations, because you're able to address those questions more impactfully to show that where that value is coming from, and really just drive the overall efforts.